English around the world. Australia, by car or by plane? In this unit, we are going to explore nature in Australia. Australia is located in the continent of Oceania. It is the 6th largest country in the world. Australia's population is only 22.7 million. The biggest cities are concentrated in the eastern state, and mainly along the coast. Distances in Australia sometimes are enormous. For instance, from Perth to Canberra is 3,700 kilometers. So some of Australians have their own planes. Also, people can take an air taxi. Australia has 34,218 kilometers of coastline. The climate of Australia is influenced by the ocean. Australia has got a wide variety of landscapes, with subtropical rainforests in the northeast, mountain ranges in the southeast, southwest, and east areas, and dry areas in the center. 18% of Australia's mainland is a desert. Australia is also the flattest continent. Australia has got spectacular landscapes, including many national parks and World Heritage areas. Let's explore some animals. A kangaroo. The kangaroo is an Australian icon. Also, the koala is an icon. A short-beaked echidna. A wombat. A dingo. A kookaburra. An emu. Australia is home to many dangerous animals. A crocodile. A blue-ringed octopus. A red-backed spider. Australia is home of some of the most venomous snakes in the world. The eucalyptus is a common tree in Australia, and also the acacia tree. Thanks to everyone who shared their pictures and videos.